Greetings. This is the video submission for the 2024 ISETS ESCAP Youth Voice Competition. The name of the submission is GEMS, which stands for Grassroots Energy Management Support. It is based out of country India, and the contact details are provided in the first slide. These are photos of the few team members who are part of the GEMS team who work on inclusive energy transition in rural India. First picture is of myself, namaste, greetings, that is me. The second picture is of Miss Anushka, who's the trainer, Mr. Naman, who's the grassroots action volunteer, and Mr. Abhishek, who is our supervisor and mentor for the submission. What is the mission of GEMS? The mission of GEMS is to cut carbon emissions towards cleaner air. We want to bring about energy transition for rural India, and why we want to do that is to make life healthier and breathing easier for women and children in India. More time leads to more opportunities, which is one of the central focus of GEMS. What is the problem, you may ask? In rural households, pollution and waste, especially the fact that biomass burning, firewood, and cattle dung cakes are the main source of energy and are used for cooking and heating purposes, is the problem. Our motto is that we don't seek to merely inform the societies, we seek to transform. We seek to transform through the low smoke cooking stove, which you're seeing in the picture, a version or the prototype of it, which is built indoors and has an exhaust chimney which reduces the firewood and is built by the households themselves. This helps them to co-create a solution to further better their lives. GEMS is seen as the centerpiece of indoor kitchen because cooking is one of the main activities of rural women and rural households in India. The GEMS is a modified version of the cooking stove that is currently being used by the rural households and is more efficient, lesser time consuming, and in terms of more intensive cooking, it leads to lesser firewood collection for more time and more energy saved by the women in the rural households. Not only that, GEMS also works on advocacy at the village level. We discuss climate change and sustainability with school children to help the school children become the family's change agents. A team of grassroots volunteers called the GEMS Pioneers help implement the project at the grassroots level. GEMS advocates for a dual benefit approach where we try to advocate that what is good for the families is also good for the environment. This leads to more time and more energy saved, and the time that is saved is help invest in creating more economic opportunities and skilling the women in the rural households. We seek to find more ways and avenues to connect with industry leaders and experts to understand and better the technology that we are currently bringing to the rural communities. The ultimate goal is to transform and transition these households from non-renewable energy sources towards renewable energy alternatives. Knowledge support, individual contacts, as well as helping build this energy transition wave together for the rural communities is what we seek to do. These are a few reports that are available of GEMS to understand the pre-pilot experience and a detailed version of the problem statement. You can always reach out to us for more information and we would be more than happy to provide and collaborate or maybe even discuss and have a conversation about the topic. Thank you so much for giving GEMS an opportunity to make this submission, and